Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super handy feature in Canva called Magic Resize. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take a single design and instantly reformat it for all the different sizes you need, saving you a ton of time, whether you're making content for social media, print, or just experimenting with creative ideas. If you've ever found yourself recreating the same design for multiple platforms, get ready for a real game changer. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's free and super quick to sign up. Once you're in, you'll see a button that says Create up near the top. Click on that. Now, instead of choosing one of the default sizes, I recommend starting with a custom size. This is great because it lets you set the exact dimensions you want. For this example, let's type in 100 by 100 pixels. That's a perfect little square, great for things like social media profile images or icons. Once you've put in those numbers, go ahead and create your new design. Now that you've got your blank canvas, it's time to give it some style. Canva makes this super easy. Just browse the template selection they offer on the left-hand side. Pick a template that catches your eye. You can always customize it with your own images, colors, and text later. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll just choose something simple so we can focus on how Magic Resize works. Think of your template like the foundation of a house. Once you have a solid base, you can build on it and change the layout as needed. Alright, here where the real magic comes in. Once your design looks good, look up at the very top left of your screen. You'll see an option called Resize. Go ahead and click that. This feature is incredibly powerful. Imagine you've just spent 20 minutes perfecting a post for Instagram, but now you need the same design as a Facebook banner, a YouTube thumbnail, or even a poster. Instead of starting from scratch each time, Magic Resize will automatically adjust the layout, proportions, and even reposition your elements to fit different dimensions. So once you click on Resize, you'll see a list of preset sizes for all sorts of platforms: Instagram story, Facebook cover, Pinterest pin, you name it. You can select one or honestly as many as you want. Maybe you want your design to work as a Twitter post, a flyer, and an email header all at once. Just check each box that applies. Don't worry if it takes you a moment to decide. The great thing is you can always come back and resize again later if you miss something. After you've selected your preferred sizes, hit the button to create those new designs. Canva will generate copies in the exact formats you picked, and you'll have each one ready in its own tab. No more awkward cropping or realigning every element. It's kind of like magic, right? If anything looks a little off in your new formats, don't stress. Sometimes you'll just need to tweak a font size or drag an image a bit. Think of Magic Resize as a major shortcut, not a total replacement for that creative touch. And that's honestly all there is to it. Magic Resize will save you from tons of repetitive work and let you focus on making your designs look their absolute best across every single platform you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva feature you'd like me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and happy designing.